This video demonstrates how to configure a NAT44 policy to translate source IP addresses. Source network address translation translates the source IP address in a packet, which is typically used for LAN-to-WAN access. It translates private network IP addresses into public network IP addresses so that private network users can use public network addresses to access the Internet. After receiving a packet, the device matches the packet against all the filtering conditions in a NAT policy. The device translates the source IP address of the packet according to the NAT policy only when the packet matches all the filtering conditions. If a packet does not match the filtering conditions of the current NAT policy, it will be matched against the next policy in sequence. If the packet does not match any NAT policy, NAT is not performed on the packet. The following steps demonstrate how to configure SNAT to meet the specified networking requirements. Device A is deployed at the border of an enterprise network as a security gateway to protect the Internet. When an Internet user accesses the web server on the Internet through device A, the IP address of the Internet user needs to be translated into the IP address of the WAN interface on device A. Before configuring a NAT policy, complete basic Internet access configuration according to network planning, which is not shown in this video. Choose Policy. Then NAT Policy. Then NAT. Click Create to create a NAT policy. Set NAT mode to SNAT. Enter the policy name. Time range specifies the effective time of the policy. In this example, NE is selected, indicating that the policy takes effect permanently. In the packet before NAT area, set packet filtering conditions. The device performs NAT only when all conditions are matched. Set SRC, security zone and interface to the security zone where the LAN interface of the device resides. Set SRC, address to the Internet user subnet. Set DEST, security zone and interface to the security zone where the WAN interface of the device resides. Set DEST, address to the IP address of the web server. Set service as required. In this example, select all HTTP and HTTPS services. In the packet after NAT area, set the source IP addresses and port numbers of packets after NAT. Set SRC, address translated to designated IP and enter the IP address of the WAN interface on the device. Set SRC, port translation as required. In this example, select Use Original Port first. After verifying the configuration, click Save. After configuring an SNAT policy, check whether a security policy is configured to permit NAT traffic. If no such security policy is configured, you need to create a security policy to permit NAT traffic, as shown in the figure. When Internet users access the web server, choose ONM. Then Network. Then Session. Then Session Details to view the corresponding session. Click View Details to view NAT details. Thank you for watching.